Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is what's new this week. So without further ado, let's jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Let's talk about what's coming up this week. On Wednesday, it's going to be all about my hair. I have so many questions and comments on, from color to how I style my hair to the products I use, so I guess it's just time to do an updated video. And I'm also going to have a fashion video this week as well, so there'll be more fashion. I love fashion, so we're going to do that one as well. And so let's talk about what's come in. First, let me talk about something, because I always like to try and save you money when I can. So City Beauty, as I have said, is now down to 15% discount. It's still a great discount, but of course it was at 25%. Recently they just let me know for Black Friday. I'm going to put the dates here, but there's going to be a huge sale. When I say huge, it's beyond 25%. The products will be on sale, and then they're going to add in a huge, it's just going to be huge, y'all. It's going to be huge. For sure, two of my absolute favorites, which is the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. That's probably my #1 absolute favorite. The second #1 absolute favorite is the Line Smoothing Mask. Those are definitely in on this Black Friday sale. So huge. So I always want to save you money, so don't buy anything right now. Don't buy anything right now. Wait until I let you know about the Black Friday sale. And of course I will, the day before, put a video up to remind you all. While we're kind of on beauty with that whole thing, let's just go through some beauty products that did come in. This is Korean skincare. I actually really love Korean skincare. My favorite toner, someone asked me that, and I neglected to write you back, and I apologize, and now I can't find that sometimes I read these things like in the middle of the night because I can't sleep. It's by Pure Heals. By far my favorite. It used to be Paloo. They went out of business. I hated the fact they went out of business. It was a clean company. They made clean products. They had Manuka honey in that. Loved it. This one is also clean company. Pure Heals. That's also that under eye cream that I have said. I actually have a back of the products that have the centella in it. In the eye cream, it's 80. I can't remember what it is in the toner, but it is by far my favorite toner. In fact, I've got to buy a backup of that because I'm probably down to this much for a toner. That's crazy because I have a lot of them. I just keep gravitating towards the toner. Skin Star has sent me some additional Korean skincare to try. I'm very excited about this. So there's a few products here. This one is a retinol lifting ampule mask. Looks like this, and this one is the retinol lifting ampule. Now, my whole thing about trying skincare, I have to stop anything that's comparable to it and put it in that place and see how I react. Or if it's something completely different, of course, then I just add it in. And then this is by BRTC, which is another product that I really like. This one is the Hydra Barrier Probiome Complex. I got a lot of reading to do on these three and seeing where I can fit these in. Masks are masks, unless it's the City Beauty line. I mean, that mask is amazing. This could be amazing as well. I'm going to be trying those products up, and probably in about a month, as we head towards winter, I am going to do an updated skincare AM PM, because it does change as what I do during the summer is a little bit different than what I do in the winter. Did get fashion in that really isn't going into any particular lookbook or what I'll show you next week. Loungewear that I got is absolutely, I wore it out. Love this. And I'll show you some picture here. This is so cute. It's I love everything about it. It's totally chic. I wore it with the Naturalizer, what I call combat boots, or Doc Martens for those of you that are my age and know Doc Martens. These are like the updated, much more elegant Doc Marten or combat boot. And I put those together, super cute. It would look cute with a pair of Converse. It would look super cute with like a little pair of booties and put a moto jacket on. There's just a million ways to wear loungewear. Now, there were a few things that I had ordered from Express. I ordered these boots. Do you remember this outfit? Obsessed with it, love everything about it. And it's head to toe Express. So the sweater, the skirt, and the croc booties. So cute. Square, nude, and it's such a pretty nude and extremely comfortable. I've been wearing them all the time. Well, the black ones came in. I'm actually wearing it, and I will show you the outfit that I'm wearing because there's a jacket that came in as well, so I'll show that, and it goes so well. So these are the black pair. So you can see the heel is not super, super high. Look at this croc pant. Square toe, beautiful, just beautiful, beautiful boot. Super comfortable. You know, I am heading towards 54 and not that many months away, only a couple months. So I need comfort, then style. The scarf also came in, the animal print scarf, and I just wanted to show you this because I've talked about doing a nude lookbook and I am working on it. The next lookbook I'll be doing, not this week, but the following week, is sweater dresses. I think sweater dresses, how many people agree? Are sweater dresses one of the most difficult to find that don't make you look like you've gained 100 pounds? I mean, I really think that, you know. So I have got every kind of sweater dress. I'm going to show you a sneak peek. I posted this on Instagram, and if you're not following me on the Like It to Know It app, I know it can be a little bit like hard to use at first, but if you just download the app, you put D Beauty in, there's a link in my description box. You can just click on it, and all you have to do is have that, and then boom. I add stuff in there all the time. Here's that Express outfit. And what's great is when you click it, you come down here, you can shop the whole thing. If I just click on the skirt, bam, it will take you exactly to where you need to go to get that skirt. This is gorgeous. This would make a beautiful gift. Okay, animal print, but it's in a monochromatic tone. But what makes it special is there is a little bit of threading in here. I'm gonna come close. It's one benefit of having this new camera that I'm learning, is that you can really see the detail. And so for the holidays, taking that same outfit and then throwing this scarf with it, oh, gorgeous. And it's got a beautiful weight to it, and it's nice and thick. You know, it's not, I mean, this is gonna keep you warm. Absolutely. Jacket. Okay, this is the jacket. I'm gonna put it on. It's warm today. Show you. It's got the raw hem sleeve. There is the raw hem here. I hope this is picking up. It's very hard for me to see. There we go. Raw hem. Okay, and then raw hem at the bottom. But this is more of a box cut. Love this. Let me back up. So we're gonna look at the jacket. So here's the jacket. Incredibly, incredibly cute, right? I mean, I love this. You know, really, really cute. I'm gonna style this a bunch of ways for you guys. You know I am. So I got that in, and then I got a sweater from Amazon, which is really cute. I'm actually gonna show it with the same jeans. You'll see it here. So I did also pick up a pair of earrings. These were the ones from Express. I showed you the ones that look like the Kendra Scott. If you haven't seen those, I'll insert a picture right here. Really, really cute. And again, seriously, looks so much like the Kendra Scott. But I also picked these ones up. These remind me of the Ann Taylor ones that have that same circle with the linear bar through it, except these ones, you all, two-tone. Silver and gold. So today I'm wearing the gold necklace by Kendra Scott. Could easily be wearing the silver one and it looked great. These are fantastic. What I like about them is they're much longer, multiple ways to wear them. Quite a bit of household things in. Okay, so let me show you the big things that we picked up at Home Goods. I picked up this credenza. Love it. If there's one thing that I've always wanted in this house, but there is no room in it, are barn doors. Love them, obsessed by them. This credenza has them, and then it has beadboard. And I was looking for a place to put our wine bottles, although we're not huge wine drinkers. When we do, through the holidays, we'll drink wine. I love it. The drawers, I needed more hiding places for my platters and stuff like that. So it gives me that opportunity, and then it gives me an opportunity to store some of our wine, and then some wine glasses, stuff like that. I just kind of threw the decorations up. What I wanted was a lamp. That's the other thing that I picked up. Oh my God, got this off of Amazon. Now, you know I've been on a light fixture kick, right? So we changed out the light fixtures in the bathroom and the master closet, and I'm obsessed by those. Love them. We use the Edison bulbs. It has the little beaded glass. It's just very beautiful and very elegant. And then when we did the front porch, if you haven't seen that, I'll list that video as well, makeover, we changed out the light fixtures. Same thing, Edison bulbs. So I found just a little light to sit there, and it adjusts. It has an Edison bulb. It has the the things you can get off of Amazon, y'all. I'm telling you. And what's great about this, are you ready? It has 2 phone charger ports. I know. And it adjusts. It's great. And I needed a selfie mirror. I have a mirror back here. It's beautiful. I put lights around it. Worst selfie mirror ever. And I was at Home Goods and I took a picture of, and mind you, stores have much better lighting, but I took a picture and I was like, oh, this is really good. Let's try it, right? And so I was taking selfie pictures to make sure, and they look pretty decent. I have to clean the mirror up and stuff, and then I'll probably start taking like outfits of the day again, because I am dressing a little bit more than just loungewear. But hey, I love loungewear. The other things that came in were I had ordered a throw, another thing that is absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous gift. And I will be doing some gift guides. This one is really beautiful. This one, that leopard print, I've already put it on my bed. So pretty, so good, and huge, oversized, beautiful. So that came in, it's already on my bed. Pillow covers, best invention ever. And they fit my pillows perfectly. I showed you how I decorated for fall. These ones I picked up because they are year-round pillows. Like these would be just so cute no matter what. But what I wanted to show you is when I'm putting something on my Amazon page, and you can click a link like to get this exact pillow that will be down listed. There's a pillowcase. But if you want to see everything, I am being meticulous about breaking everything out, from laundry room makeover, front porch makeover, everything, breaking everything out. I have now started to break out the not only fall and winter clothing, but I'm starting to now break out, okay, sweaters, tops, blouses. That's gonna take me a little longer, but I'm really trying to make it super easy for you to find exactly what, or look at exactly what category you want. These ones are amazing. They are made of a canvas. They are super thick. It says our life, our story, our home, this is us. And it's 2-sided, right? So cute. It came in a 2-pack. And the other one, I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'll show you the other one because I can't remember exactly what it says. Housewise are these little scoops. Now, what I'm using these scoops for? Okay, I told you I'm redoing my bathroom. So I've been putting some decorations up, if you will, and I love apothecary jars. I also love Epsom salts. Epsom salts are ugly in a bag, so I put them in apothecary jars, and the little wooden ones that I had in there were too small, so I'm actually gonna use those for the little boost beads that you put in your laundry. That's like the perfect scoop for that, so I'm switching them out. These are the perfect scoop. It came in a 3-pack. I only needed 2, but I'm sure I will use another one. So these are really cute. I'm not sure this is something of interest to you, but I will always share with you. So this is just something I thought I'd start sharing, like what I'm reading, maybe what I'm watching on TV if there's a new series. This book I just got, it's called Quiet Times with God, Devotional by Joyce Meyer. So it's 365 daily inspirations. So I just got this in the mail. So I'm gonna start reading this. All right, guys, so that's it for what's new this week. So I will see you with the next video all about the locks, probably on Wednesday. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.